Hi there, it's Allison from the Protocase team. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to add a security watermark to your design in Protocase Designer. So depending on your company and the industry you're in, you may have special security designations for the designs you create and have made by Protocase. ITAR stands for International Traffic in Arms Regulation. It's a set of United States government regulations that control the manufacturing and exporting activities of defense services. CCG stands for Canadian Controlled Goods, which is the registration and regulation of businesses and individuals that examine, possess, or transfer controlled goods, including ITAR items in Canada. Okay, so I've got Protocase Designer open. I'm going to create a panel from scratch, so I'll click on Start with a New File and select Panel from the left-hand side. Now that I've selected the exact panel type that I want to customize, the Properties section will populate with all the fields that I need to fill in, including material type, color, width, height, etc. But above that, you'll note the Design Classification section. So here's where you can check the security watermark you'd like displayed with your design, ITAR and CCG. There's also a third checkbox that you can select if you'd like to add in your own unique classification notes. Once you've checked all the boxes relevant for your company and add in the additional notes, click OK to save your changes. Now that I'm in the 3D editor, I can see the watermark that reflects the two security designations I checked, ITAR as well as my own personal security classification. You can see the title of my unique security classification in the top next to ITAR watermark, as well as a more detailed description on the right-hand side for both ITAR and my classified NDA paragraph. And by checking these security boxes and adding in your own classification notes, your design will be treated as a classified file once it's submitted to Protocase for quoting and manufacturing. One more thing to note, you can add ITAR, CCG, and other security watermarks to an existing design that you've already created in Protocase Designer. All you need to do is open the file, then select Edit Enclosure and Properties under Edit in the 3D viewer. In order to access this functionality, though, you must be using Protocase Designer Release 4.8.9 or later. So this concludes our tutorial for using the ITAR, CCG, and other security watermarks feature in Protocase Designer. If you have any questions, please let us know by commenting below. You can also send an email to info@protocasedesigner.com, or you can contact your Protocase account manager. Thanks very much for watching. Happy designing!